Online jobs for company secretary students, making money on your own time. There are several ways that a company secretary student can make money without any investment. Freelancing. If you have skills in areas like content writing, graphic designing, or social media management, you can offer your services as a freelancer. You can find clients through online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Online tutoring. You can offer your knowledge and expertise in company secretaryship to other students or professionals who may need help. You can advertise your services on social media or tutoring websites like Chegg. Online surveys. Many companies conduct online surveys to gather information about their target audience. You can sign up for these surveys and get paid for providing your opinions. Online microtasks. You can sign up for websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk and complete small tasks like data entry, image tagging, or research for a small fee. Virtual assistants. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant to businesses or entrepreneurs who need help with administrative tasks. You can find these opportunities through websites like virtualassistantjobs.com. Remember that making money without investment requires time, effort, and patience. It may take some time to build a reputation and attract clients, but with perseverance and dedication, you can earn a steady income.